Hi everyone, Namaste. My name is Dr. Arun. Welcome to Ayurma Yoga Therapy Center, Four Seasons Landaa Giraavaru, Maldives. So today we will be discussing about yoga therapy for immunity. So when we talk about immunity, we all remember about what is going on for the last 18 months, but it's not only for those 18 months, it is much beyond that. So it's important to remember that it's not one organ or one system which is responsible for our immunity. Immunity is nothing but the body's overall defense mechanisms to external germs, which can be the stress or other external factors such as the microorganisms or other pathogens which is around us. So here we will be focusing on the root causes to address the stressful conditions or which brings down the overall functions of these immune systems in our body, which includes our respiratory system, the lymphatic system, digestive system, as well as the organs such as thyroid, thymus, as well as the spleen. So when we practice this sequence of yogasans, we can notice the repeated practice reduces the stress level in the body, as well as it improves the WBC presence in our body. Also, it increases the T cell production. The repetitive practice of pranayama, especially the Brahmari pranayama, as well as the Pathahastasana, which will enhance the production of T cells, which is one of the very important cells to fight against the infectious conditions. So this session will include, we will start with sectional breathing to address the respiration or the breathing for our three areas of the lungs, which is the upper part of the lungs, middle and the lower lobe. Thereafter we will get into the yoga asanas in the form of sun salutation. Then we will practice the specific yoga asanas to make sure that the specific areas which we discussed earlier will be addressed with that. So the difference between the yoga therapy and the rest of the yoga therapy, we do it more repeated manner. That means when we are practicing cobra pose or bhujangasana, rather than doing it and maintaining it, here we will be practicing it for 3 to 6 times. Again, it depends upon each individual. We will decide that how many times that person has to repeat each practice. Then we'll get into pranayama. That's very important because it's also important to handle the stress as well as the health of our throat. So the pranayama which we have included to address those conditions. So welcoming you once again for the yoga therapy for immunity, and let's get into the practice. Let's start with the sectional breathing. This is called as thoracic breathing. So here we are going to place our inner aspect of our index finger and the thumb between our ribs on the nipple level, and we will inhale deep and exhale slowly and completely. So you can see that the index finger separate as you inhale. With the exhalation, it joins together. So let's repeat it for 10 times. Inhale deep, exhale slowly and completely. Allow your muscle to relax as you exhale. So you're only actively inhale and your exhalation become passive as you relax your respiratory muscles. Let's go to the sidewise. Place the hands on the side of the ribs. With the inhalation, inhale deep and you can feel the ribs coming to the either side. With the exhalation, it retracts down. Inhale and exhale. Let's move on to the shoulder breathing. Place your both hands above your shoulders. Try to feel the shoulders comfortably in your palms. With the inhalation, you can feel that your hands goes up along with the inhalation. With the exhalation, it retracts down. So here you are focusing on your upper part of your lungs for the inhalation and for your exhalation. So these are the sectional breathings for our lungs. Initially we concentrated on the middle part of the lungs, then the lower part, then we focused on the upper lobes of the lungs. So now let's go with some head rotation. Bring your chin towards your right shoulder. Inhale and bring your head through your upper back to your left. Exhale and drag your chin through the chest to your right. Let's repeat for a few times. Inhale while moving your head through your upper back, and exhale while you drag your chin through the chest. Let's slowly bring the chin towards your left shoulder, right shoulder. Exhale and drag your chin through the chest to your left shoulder. Inhale and slowly bring your head through your upper back to your right. Let's repeat. It's in anti-clockwise direction. Relax your head and neck for some time. So now let's go for the chest expansion with the hands in and out breathing. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. With the inhalation, bring your hands to the either side. With the exhalation, we will bring it back in front of the chest. Inhale and bring your hands to the either side. Expand your chest as much as you can. Exhale and slowly bring your hands together in front of your chest. So here the objective is to expand the chest as much as possible. Inhale. Exhale. For the last time. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go for the hand stretch breathing. Interlock your fingers and place it above your chest. With the inhalation, let's stretch the hands forward and slowly bring it above your head. Exhale and slowly bring it through the either side. Try to pull your both sides of your fingers towards your head as you bring your hands down to the floor. Again with the inhalation, stretch your hands forward. Look up towards the roof. Exhale and slowly bring it through the either side. Let's repeat it for one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Let's go for some sideward bending. Bring your right hand to your right side. With the inhalation, slowly bring your left hand to 90 degrees. And exhale and slowly bend towards your right side. You can bend your right elbow, which helps you to give the enhanced stretching for your left side. With the inhalation, slowly come up. Exhale and slowly release. With the inhalation, let's do it in the left side. Inhale and lift your head up, hands up. Exhale and slowly bend towards your left side. Feel the extension for your right side of your chest and your abdomen. Inhale and bring your hands up. exhale and slowly release. Let's go for some spinal twisting. Take the support of your right knees and slowly turn your upper body towards your right side with the inhalation. Exhale and slowly come straight. Let's repeat it in the other side. Inhale and turn your upper body towards your left side. Exhale and come straight. Let's move on to the cat and cow breathing. Let's bring the hands exactly below the shoulder, the knees in line to your hands and the feet as well. With the inhalation, let's stretch the head up, tailbone up, and look up towards the roof. Exhale and slowly bring your chin towards your chest, tighten your core muscles, and stretch your spine. Again with the inhalation, stretch your head up, tailbone up. Exhale and slowly bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back to the tabletop position and spread your feet together and knees to the either side and stretch your hands forward and relax in that position for a few seconds. You can bring your forehead or the chin on the floor, whichever you're comfortable with. Slowly come up to Vajrasana and sit in Vajrasana for a few seconds. Okay, let's slowly move into the downward dog pose as well as the yogic plank. In a sequence we will do. Slowly come, place your both hands on the feet and try to keep your both feet on your shoulder width. And try to push your shoulders to your knees, heels to the floor. With the inhalation, slowly bring your whole body forward. This is yogic plank. Exhale and slowly come back to your downward dog pose. Again with the inhalation, slowly bring your body forward. Engage your core muscles and look forward. Exhale and slowly come back. Let's repeat it for another 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back to your Shashangasana position. Stretch your hands forward, relax in that position for a few seconds. Slowly come up to your Vajrasana. And let's stretch the legs forward and sit in a comfortable position. So we are moving towards the sun salutation. It is also called as Surya Namaskar. In yoga or yoga therapy, it has been also used to warm up the whole body because it helps us to improve the overall function of our body from head to toes. So it will have 12 steps, and each step we will have a synchronized breathing, either inhalation or exhalation, or inhalation and exhalation. So you can look into the demonstration first. So you can come to the upper part of the yoga mat and keep your feet together, hands by the side. With the breath out, adopt Namaskara Mudra. One, inhale, bend your knees, give a backward stretch and bring your both shoulders to the either side. 2, exhale and bend forward from your lower back, hands are to the either side and bring your hands on the either side of your feet. You can bend your knees and you can bring your forehead to your knees. So here the objective is to have a
curvature from the lower back. 3, inhale and throw your right leg back, right knee on the floor, both hands are firmly on the floor, so you can widen your fingers so that you feel more comfortable with that, and try to look up towards the roof or the sky. 4, exhale and bring your left leg as well backward and look forward. Here it's similar to the yogic plank position. Engage your core. 5, inhale and exhale, Shashangasana. Stretch your toes backward, forehead to your knees or to the floor, and hands are forward. You relax in that position. You can inhale and exhale. 6, inhale and exhale, Sashtanga Namaskara. Your chin, chest, knees and toes on the floor. 7, inhale, slowly come up, give an upward look. Try to keep your elbows slightly flexed. 8, exhale, downward dog pose, heels to the floor, shoulders to your knees. 9, inhale, slowly lift your right leg up, open up your right hip joint, bring your right leg forward, and bring your left knee as well on the floor. Both hands are on the floor and try to look up. 10, exhale, bring your left leg as well forward. You can bend your knees, keep your both hands on the either side of your feet, forehead to your knees. 11, inhale, slowly bring your hands to the either side, come up from your lower back, give a backward stretch. 12, exhale, onto Namaskara Mudra. So this is one round of sun salutation, and we have done it for the right side, so we will repeat it in the left side. So in yoga therapy session, it is recommended to do at least for 6 rounds. Let's join the feet together, hands by the side. Be aware of your breathing, both inhalation and exhalation. Relax your shoulders with the breath out. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. One, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. 4, exhale. 5, inhale and exhale. 6, inhale and exhale. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. Shoulders to your knees, heels to the floor. 9, inhale, lift your left leg up, open up your left hip joint, slowly bring the left leg forward. 10, exhale. 11, inhale. 12, exhale. Relax in standing position for a few seconds. Spread your legs apart. Relax your hands. And try to connect with your breathing. The deep inhalation, slow and gradual exhalation. And try to synchronize your breathing with your abdominal, chest and the shoulder movement. Let's go on to the third and fourth round. Slowly join your feet together. Hands by the side. Breathe out and adopt Namaskara Mudra. 1, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. Right leg back, right knee on the floor. Try to look up. 4, exhale. 5, inhale and exhale. 6, inhale and exhale. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Let's continue in the left side. 1 inhale, 2 exhale, 3 inhale, 4 exhale, 5 inhale and exhale, 6 inhale and exhale, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, lift up your left leg, open up your left hip and slowly bring it forward. 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Relax in standing position, this Sthiti position. Spread your legs apart, relax your hands. In any comfortable position, either leg cross or in Vajrasana. So here we are ready to go into the yoga postures now, yogasanas. Here first yogasana which we will be practicing is Pavana Muktasana. As I mentioned, it requires variety of systems and organs to have an effective immune system. So we will start with Pavana Muktasana, which is a very good yogasana for digestive system as well as for the respiratory system. So here we will start the practice from a lying down position, that is the Sthiti position. And let's join the legs together, hands by the side. With the inhalation, slowly bend your both legs at the knee and bring it closer to your chest. And try to wrap your both hands around your legs and stretch your both toes towards your feet. With the exhalation, slowly bring your head up, bring the forehead to your knees. Inhale and slowly release your head back to the floor. And let's repeat it. Inhale and slowly bring your head up and bring your forehead towards your knees. Exhale and slowly bring your head back to the floor. Let's do it for one more time. Inhale and bring your head up, bring your forehead to your knee. Exhale and slowly release back. And slowly release your legs with the inhalation and exhale and slowly release it back to the floor. Hands by the side. Gently raise your right hand above your head. Bend your left leg at the left knee and slowly turn your whole body towards your right side. You can rest your left hand in front of your chest on the floor, left knee on the floor, rest your hand on your right arms. And try to feel the linear awareness from the entire right side, the tip of your right toes till the tip of your right fingers. With the support of your left hand, slowly come up to the sitting position. You may sit in any comfortable position, either leg cross or in Vajrasana. So we are going to complement the Pavana Muktasana with Sedu Bandhasana. It's also called as bridge pose. So here again we will lie down on our back, and from that position we will bend the knees. We will take a good support on our feet and place the hand. So the important thing which you need to remember is your feet placement should be at the length of your hand. That means your heel should be contacting to your index finger or your middle finger.
So from there we will lift our hip region up, the middle back, and we will place the shoulders on the floor. So in the final position it looks like a bridge. Since it is complements to the Pavana Muktasana, it is actually an ideal practice to be done to enhance our overall immunity. So let's go for the practice of bridge pose, Sedu Bandhasana.
Slowly join your feet together, hands by the side. Now let us bend our both the legs at the knee and try to bring your feet on your shoulder width and where your hands can comfortably create a contact. So from that position, with the inhalation, let us raise our hip up, followed by your middle back until the upper back, and try to lift it up as high as possible. Exhale and release in the reverse order. First the middle back, followed by your lower back and the hip. Let's repeat for 2 more times. Inhale and lift your hip up, followed by your lower back, middle back, until the upper back. Exhale and release in the reverse order. Let's do it one more time. Inhale and lift your hip, followed by your lower back, middle back, until the upper back. Exhale and release back in the reverse order. Relax in Shavasana. Spread your legs apart, hands apart. Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds.
So we are going to the face down sequences of yoga postures. We started up with the face up. There we have done Pavana Muktasana, the wing release pose, as well as Sedu Bandhasana. So alternatively you can also practice wheel pose. So now we are moving into the face down series. So here we are going to start with Bhujangasana. It's also called as Cobra pose. When we practice Cobra pose, the one thing which you need to remember, we need to expand the chest as much as possible, especially when we are bringing our head, chin and the chest up. And we need to bring your both shoulders to the either side. And also the focus should be on the lower back and minimum support to our hands. And the Bhujangasana is also help us to improve the functions of our thymus gland as well as our thyroid gland, which is both are important to the overall body functions. So let's go for the practice of Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Let's move on to the face down position. So try to. This is also called as Makrasana. This is one of the relaxing position which we maintain during the face down series of yoga postures. You can see the heels are facing each other, both feet are on your shoulder width, and hands onto your opposite shoulders, and relaxing your neck on top of your forearm. And you can feel that your neck muscle to be relaxed in this position. So from here, let us move on to the Cobra pose. Bhujangasana. Slowly join your feet together. Place your hands on the either side of your chest where the fingers pointing towards your head and your elbows are pointing towards the roof. From this position, with the inhalation, slowly bring your forehead, chin, chest until the abdomen. And try to use your lower back muscles to come up and try to look up towards the roof. Exhale and slowly release back in the reverse order. First the abdomen, followed by your chest, neck, chin and the forehead. Let's repeat for 2 more times. Inhale and bring your head up, followed by your chin, neck, chest until the abdomen. Expand your chest, bring your shoulders back to the either side,
Exhale and slowly release back in the reverse order. Inhale and slowly raise your forehead, chin, neck, chest, until the abdomen. Let's maintain it for 3 counts. Exhale and slowly release in the reverse order. Relax in Makarasana. Spread your legs apart. Rest your hands to your opposite shoulders and relax your chin on top of your forearm. Let's move into the next position. Before that, let's come into this sitting position once again. So the next asana which we are going to practice is Shalabhasana. It's also called as locust pose. So here we will make a fist of our hand and we'll place it below the thighs where the fist will be facing towards the floor. So with the support of the hands, we will be raising our legs up. So we will do it once like Ekapada Shalabhasana, and then we can do into Vipada or Purna Shalabhasana. So let's lie face down. And let's bring the chin onto the floor and make a fist of your hand and place your fist below your thighs. So once you're comfortable in that position, slowly with the inhalation raise your right leg up. Exhale and slowly release. Let's repeat for 2 more times. Inhale and raise your right leg up. Exhale and release. One more time. Inhale and raise your right leg up. Exhale and release. Let's repeat it in the other side. Inhale and lift your left leg up. Exhale and release. Again with the inhalation, let's lift the left leg up. Exhale and release. Now we are going to do the Purna Shalabhasana. Here we are going to, you can adjust your hand position once again. With the inhalation, we are going to lift your both legs up, and you can hold the breath for maybe 4 to 5 seconds, and you can release it. Inhale and exhale. Let's do it for one more time. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hands and rest in Makarasana. Spread your legs apart, heels facing each other, and relax in that position. Let's move on to the next pose, which is called as Dandrasana. Slowly come up to the sitting position. Have completed our face up and face down series of yoga poses. Now we will be going into the standing yoga poses. So to start with, we will practice Vrikshasana. Slowly join your feet together, hands by the side of your body. So here, instead of repeating the practice, we will bring the hands from above the head to in front of the chest. The Namaskara Mudra will be shifting from above the head to in front of the chest. So that's the repetition which we will be practicing it. And here you need to remember that since it is good for improving the focus, you need to focus on any one particular object or a point in front of you, and you can practice this. Once you are comfortable with the opened eyes, then you can practice it with closed eyes, which is something within your mind.
can close on a one thought or a point which you can create within your mind. Slowly join your feet together, hands by the side of your body. Bend your right leg at the right knee and place the right feet in the inner aspect of your left thigh. Once you are comfortable in that position, slowly with the inhalation, let's raise our both hands to the side and join your hands above your head. Maintain this position for a few seconds. With the exhalation, slowly bring your hands in front of your chest till your forearms becomes parallel to the floor. Inhale and slowly bring your hands above your head. Stretch your hands above your head. Exhale and slowly bring it in front of your chest till the forearm becomes parallel to the floor. Once again, inhale and stretch your hands above your head. Exhale and slowly bring it in front of your chest. Let's maintain it for 10 counts. Again with the inhalation, let's stretch the hands above the head. Exhale and release it to the either side. And release your leg. Let's do the practice in the other side. Bend your left leg at the left knee and bring the left feet on the inner aspect of your right thigh. With the inhalation, let's bring our both hands through the side and join the hands above your head. Exhale and slowly bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale and bring your hands above your head. Exhale and slowly bring it in front of your chest. Inhale and bring your hands above your head. Exhale and slowly bring it in front of your chest. Let's maintain it for a few more counts, 10 counts. Maintain the normal breathing. Inhale and slowly stretch your hands above your head. Exhale and slowly release your hands through the either side. And relax in standing position. Spread your legs apart. Relax your hands. Try to feel the relaxation for your ankle joint, your knee joint. And if you take a few deep inhalation, slow and gradual exhalation. So sitting series of yoga asanas in yoga therapy for immunity. So here we will be practicing two asanas. One is Vakrasana and this next one is Gomukhasana. So the Vakrasana is a twisting pose. So we turn the upper body towards any one side while practicing this asana. So as you know that turning or twisting your abdomen will improve the functions of those organs which are on those respective sides. And when we practice Gomukhasana, that helps to improve the functions or the capacity of the lungs. So let's join the feet together, hands by the side. And let's bend the right leg at the right knee and place the right heel by the side of the left knee. And slowly place your right hand behind your back where the fingers pointing backward. Take your left hand through behind your right leg and try to catch hold of, or if you can touch on your feet, that is well and good. With the inhalation, slowly turn your head and shoulders to your right side. So in the final position, try to bring your both shoulders and the legs on a single line. Inhale and slowly bring your head and shoulders forward.
Again, with the exhalation, slowly turn towards your right side. Inhale and bring your head and shoulders straight. Exhale and turn towards your right side. So that's the third one which we have done. Try to feel the pressure on your abdomen with the support of your thigh. Exhale and slowly come back and release your hands and the legs. Let's repeat this practice on the left side. Bend your left leg at the left knee and place the left heel by the side of your right knee, and place your left hand behind your back. Take the support of your right hand onto your left knee. With the inhalation, slowly turn towards your left side. Inhale and slowly bring your body straight, both the shoulders straight. Exhale and slowly turn towards your left side. Inhale and bring your head and shoulders straight. Exhale and slowly turn towards your left side. Inhale and slowly bring your head and shoulders straight. Exhale and slowly release your hands and legs. And relax in long sitting position. Spread your legs apart. Relax your hands, placing behind your back. And rest for a few seconds. So we are going to perform Gomukhasana. It's also called as cow face pose. So here we need to bend the right leg at the right knee and place the right knee facing forward, and bring the left leg on top of the right leg so that you can see that both the palms or both the sole will be facing backward. So from this position, the leg which is on your lower side, that side hands to be raised above, and the left hand to be taken through the lower side, and try to interlock your both fingers at your back. So try to give a nice free area for your head and neck so that you can place your neck and head in a very comfortable position. And in this position you need to inhale and exhale. Inhale with 3 counts, exhale with 6 counts. So you can remember that when you inhale, the more air moves into your right side of your lung, because that's the lung which is stretched to its full capacity. With the exhalation, slowly relax your muscles so the air moves out. Let's repeat for another 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release your hands and stretch your legs forward. And let's repeat this on the either other side. Bring your left feet on the right side of your hip joint and the right feet on the left side of your hip joint, and raise your left hand above your head and bring the right hand through behind, and try to interlock your fingers behind your upper back. And again, let's go for the practice of deep inhalation and slow and gradual exhalation. So that means you're inhaling with 3 counts and exhaling with 6 counts. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly release your hands and stretch your legs forward and relax in long sitting position. Relax for a few seconds. Try to feel the relaxation for your both legs, the hands and your chest. Let's move into any comfortable position, either the leg cross position or in Vajrasana, whichever you're comfortable with. So we are moving into the pranayama session, because pranayama, as you know, that this is a control of breathing. So whereas in yogasana we try to practice without putting effort to our body, whereas in pranayama we try to control our breathing. Here you can remember one thing: when we practice pranayama, there are three things to remember. One is inhalation, other one is exhalation, then retention. So in this practice we won't be practicing retention, because that is reserved for the advanced module of yoga for immunity. But in the intermediate session we will be following on inhalation and exhalation. So why the pranayama is important for immunity management? Because the stress is also plays a huge role for our body's overall defense mechanism, because when your body is stressed, that makes your body inflamed, that makes your body acidic. So that brings down all the organs and systems which I explained before to on its weaker side. So when we have a stress, whatever we do for our organs or whatever we do for our digestive or respiratory system, that may not become fruitful. So that makes it more relevant for us to practice pranayama along with this yoga for immunity. So to start with, we will do a preparatory practice called as Kapalbhati. You might be knowing it's similar what we in other yoga streams it is being practiced. We use the abdominal muscles for the exhalation. So the inhalation will be passive, exhalation with the help of our abdominal muscles. There are, apart from our lungs, it is a balloon like an organ, but there are muscles and the joints and the bones which is around it helps you for the inhalation and exhalation. So when you are actively exhaling, you are using your abdominal muscles more to push the air out, because the moment the abdomen contracts, that pushes the air out. So that means when it contracts, the lungs goes up, the diaphragm goes up, and that helps to push the air out. So that is what we are going to do it. And when you are pushing the air out, there is a negative pressure which creates in our chest or the lungs that brings some amount of air back into the lungs. So that is the reason why between each exhalation we'll maintain a gap of 1 or 2 seconds. So look into the practice. Take a deep inhalation. Keep your back and neck straight. Relax your shoulders. Adopt chin mudra over your hand. Bring your awareness to your breathing and take a deep inhalation. After 20 strokes, you can take a break and take a deep inhalation, and we can continue this. So it is recommended to practice at least for 5 rounds before getting into the therapeutic pranayama for immunity.
So let's go for another 4 more rounds. Take a deep inhalation. Last round. Take a deep inhalation once again. Relax in sitting position. If you feel to readjust your leg position, you may do so. You can move into the Vajrasana, or you can maintain that position of leg cross position. So it is very important that the comfort when you are sitting for the pranayama, because you need to completely focus on your breathing rather than getting your thoughts towards your knee joint or towards your ankle joint. So we will be going for the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. So here we will adopt a mudra called as Nasigagra Mudra by bending the index and the middle finger. With the thumb, we close and open the right nostril. With the little and ring finger, we close and open the left nostril. So here the thumb rule of the pranayama is you will inhale through your left and exhale through the right, and inhale through the right and exhale through the left. And inhalation to the exhalation duration ratio should be in 1:2. That means if you inhale with say 3 counts or 6 counts, you should exhale it with 6 or 8 counts. So let's close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through your left. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat this practice. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's continue this practice for the next 2 minutes in the same sequence. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the last time, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax for some time. So here we are concluding this session for yoga for immunity. Hope you all enjoyed the session. So before winding up this entire class, let's close the eyes, relax your shoulders, neck, adopt your hands on Chin Mudra. Slowly bring the awareness to your whole body from head to toes. Try to feel the difference between before and after the session. Your muscles and joints are relaxed. Your breathing is deep and rhythmic. Your mind is calm. To enhance the state of relaxation, let us chant Omkara for 3 times. Take a deep inhalation. Inhale. Inhale. Enjoy the state of relaxation and try to feel the resonance of Omkara in every cells of your body. Let's do palming. Rub your hands together. Make your hands warm and place your hands around your eyeballs. Feel the warmness around your eyes. Take a deep inhalation. Give a gentle pressure around your eyeballs. Exhale and gently open your eyes and release your hands. Look into your hands and gently drop your hands. So thank you very much for joining for the yoga therapy session, and namaste.